guys, my name is Chetan and today we are unboxing a HP printer. Steam print and we are gonna unbox this printer. So I open them and come. Before that, make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video and let's unbox it. So when you are opening, when you are opening this, you have your instructions and whatever this is, more instructions, and that's the printer. And in this we have the ink cartridges. There's one, and here's the other ink cartridges, and here's your adapter thingy. Now I am going to open this, and let's put this aside for now, and let's open the printer. So let's take this out, and I put the long way. I have to flip this. Then I can fit inside of this box, but nah. And here's the whole printer. And let's take both of these. And this is the whole printer. And I don't think we can show how to set up this in today's video. So yeah, I will just open this and that's it. So I'm gonna get scissors. That was loud. Oh my god. Okay, then. Okay. Now let's open this. And here's that. There you go. Put that. Just make sure there's nothing there. And this is where you put the ink cartridges. Let me show you. This is where you put the ink cartridges. And I'm going to open the ink cartridges, but I'm not going to put them in because I don't know how to. And there's another piece of tape here. So, that's it. That's it. And let's open the first one. I think this is the color one. No, it's the black one. I can see from the holes. Let's see. Now you have to take the orange thing off, just like that, and you make sure to take the tape off of here because you really need to take the ink off. And it shows you here the blue one goes there and the pink one goes there. And let me take. These are very hard. Yes, the pink one. And the same thing to this one. You want to? And boom. These are the both of the ink cartridges. And yeah, it shows you there. And you can just put it back away. Boom. And this is a capture. And that's it. I'm going to put this with my dad because I don't know how to put this. And that's it for today's video, the printer. Make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment, and turn on the post notifications. And bye guys, make sure to subscribe.